Australia's roadmap for allied health professionals, your complete step-by-step guide to registration and practice. Starting your allied health journey in Australia requires careful planning and following an official process for international professionals. Begin by confirming your eligibility. Check your academic qualifications and ensure your professional experience matches Australian standards. Gather and verify documents, academic transcripts, degree certificates, resume, and professional references in the required format. Apply for AHPRA registration online, selecting your profession. Prepare to upload your documents and pay the required fees. Meet English proficiency standards by passing approved language tests, such as IELTS or OET, if required by AHPRA. Undergo a skills assessment by the relevant authority, such as ACPCM, ANZPAC, or AIMS, depending on your profession. Once you receive a positive skills assessment, keep the official confirmation. It's crucial for further steps in visa applications. Some professions require a period of supervised practice in Australia. Discuss arrangements with an approved employer or facility. During supervised practice, work under guidance to demonstrate your competence in real Australian healthcare settings. Supervisors assess your progress and submit formal competency reports to the registration board upon completion. Once all requirements are met, you'll receive full AHPRA registration, allowing you to practice independently across Australia. With registration secured, apply for an Australian skilled visa or employer-sponsored visa to begin your professional journey. Join a thriving workplace as part of Australia's diverse allied health community, contributing your skills and experience. Your professional journey in Australia begins here. Follow the process, and a successful transition is within reach.